Hello crypto traders, what's up guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back again to MJ Crypto. So in this video I'm going to show you what exactly is happening at the moment on QNT. QNT is an amazing project, by the way, so you can hop in after watching this video till the very end. Ensure that you stick around to the conclusion of this video, guys. Now first off, we're on the daily time frame, and I'm going to be plotting out the key areas you should be looking out for, because we are somehow some way designing to form a downward wedge, or what we call a bearish wedge pattern, okay, or a falling wedge, as the case may be. So right now I'm drawing this right in front of you so that you can see it vividly for yourself, guys. It's so amazing. So I'm going to ensure that this touches all the key areas right here, and hoping that we do get let me just take it from here, rather hoping that we do get all the important touches that we need to cover. All right, so this is it, touching all the key areas. So we can see that as it stands, we're actually breaking out from this formation. All right, we're actually breaking out from this formation on the daily time frame, guys. So I'm going to go back to the 4-hour time frame so that we can see what it's looking like. So this is it. It's looking more like we're actually having a change of character currently, if this stands as at the time of making this video. So if this stands, it is most certain that we're going to be having a change of character. So I'll be looking towards buying. I'm just going to call this chalk. Yep, it's a bullish change of character, by the way. So I'm going to represent this in blue color. So I'll be looking forward to buying at the discount level. All right, so the discount level should be anywhere below 50%. All right, if I should use my gun tool, anywhere below 50%. So I'm just going to have to use my rectangle tool right now to show you this key area. Okay, yeah, so having mapped that out, I'll take the gun tool out and leave that box. So from this area is where I should be thinking of buying, from this area. Okay, anywhere around here, anywhere I actually do get let's say a change of character on the lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes, 5 minutes, I will be buying from here, and I'll be putting my stop loss way below here. Right, so guys, this is just a quick setup for you, and all the setups I give here on this channel, they all smash profits. Like, they smash profits so much. All right, so if you want to get the SMC Made Easy course, it comes with a month free validity of signals. It's valued at $29, so you can get it. The link is in the description of this video. Click on the link, send a DM, and you'll be put into the group immediately. Also, you could join the free Telegram group where I drop updates and important trades like this that could make you some good profit in no distant time. You can join there, and let's just make money together. So right now, as it stands, we're breaking out from the falling wedge pattern, or what we call the bearish wedge. We're breaking out, or rather we're breaking down, and this actually looks very promising. because we're actually breaking out with a high amount of volume. All right, we're breaking out the high amount of volume. All right, guys, that is what it looks like from this point of the chart, right? So yeah, it's what it looks like, and I'm quite excited about this. Yeah, so as it stands, let's see what the major structure even looks like. See what the major structure looks like. Major structure is looking something like this. So I want to actually see if we have some liquidity that was swept out from here. Okay, yeah, this is nice. So that means a lot of liquidity was swept out from this region, and that's why we have the breakout right now. It's more like a V pattern. You see, it's a V pattern. So it means that liquidity was all taken out from these lows. All the stop losses here have been taken out, so price about to what plunge toward the upside. So when price retraces to this area, to this zone, we should be thinking of longing this asset, and our take profit is going to actually be a very massive one, because we're going to be targeting TP1. Will be looking somewhere like here. TP1 will be looking somewhere like this. Yeah, somewhere around here should be your TP1. 132. Yeah, or let's not be so greedy. Let's make this TP1, because this should be like the previous high that caused the breakout structure to the downside, somewhere around here, 128. All right, so if you are leveraging with about 20x, this should give you some decent amount of profit, you know, because this is happening like right now. If you are privileged to watch this video, then you should be going into this trade right now. All right, so cheers guys, one love. The link is in the description of this video. Get the SMC Made Easy course. It's coming with a 1 month validity of signals, and not just that, you're going to have access to me and my time. You're going to have access to me. You can ask questions anytime. I'm going to actually hold you by the hand and walk you up the stairs like a baby when you get the course. All right, peace out guys, one love.